If you want to go ahead into the individual materials, you want to check a little bit more details, you click it here on TG11. Okay. So it takes you to the manage product master data. You would be able to check the master data, or we can go here into the more links. And then here you can go into the multiple different places you can go. Display stock in transit, display stock overview, you can go. So I would be going into the special thing. So we are into the stock multiple material. I will select this manage stock should also be shown me here. So now I have a manage stock also. So I will click on manage stock. Now you go into the manage stock here. So you quickly check that what is the your overall material stocks are there, and then from there you have checked, okay, this is the material I want to manage the stock for it, and then you come into this screen. Now this transaction is similar to which one? This transaction is similar to which one?
MMB.
MMBE, very good. MMBE, right? But what changes you see compared to MMBE? What changes you will see? Let's discuss about that. So you can come here. So first of all, that the linkage, jumping from MB50 to MMBE is not that easy. Here, just click, jump it, right? And you will see that it's very innovative. This Fiori application is very innovative. It's built so that you can easily use on the phone. You can also you can straight away go to the manage stock application. You can give your materials, you can give your plants, and then system will be giving information. So apart from giving the information, it is also giving you quick analytics. What is your unrestricted use stock? What is your blocked stock? What is your stock into the quality inspection? If we have these stocks, system would be giving us different lines here to show is how the distribution of the stock is there, right? Then system also tried to calculate the range of coverage, that for how many days this stock would be able to last based on the consumption we are doing it. Based on the consumption we are doing it, system is saying that we are good in green. This stock would be lasting as per the consumption for 61 days. We have enough stock for the 61 days. That information also it gives you. MMB does not give you. MMB does not give you that analytics. MMB does not give you that figures. So embedded analytics is missing. That is not that intelligent application, right? Then another thing quickly available from here, your quality guy came out and he found some material is not good. Okay, and he want to transfer it to the quality inspection, right? So what he can do, he can quickly come here. Okay, he can select it here that I want to transfer the stock from here. 100 pieces. This will be uploading the stock. No, from this one, you would be able to upload the stock. Okay, so if you have now this one is very quickly used into the projects, into the testing.